Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, where we have been working on our Camo X4, installing many of the option parts available from the redcatracing.com website. If you missed any of those videos, please check out our playlist dedicated to this vehicle. Alright, today we're going to install the aluminum servo saver. This replaces all the composite plastic pieces in the steering system. Let's head to the workbench and get to work. For the first step, we're going to unscrew the steering pivot balls from the steering system. Next, remove the 4 screws that secure the top plate. After removing the screws, remove the top plate as well. And now we can remove the stock steering system. We need to disassemble the stock steering and use the hardware on the new aluminum option. Start by unscrewing the servo saver nut. Once you've unscrewed the servo saver nut, remove it along with the spring, remove the stock composite arm, slide the aluminum tube out. Now we can slide the tube into the new aluminum servo saver arm, followed by the other arm, and now we could reinstall our spring and servo saver nut. You may want to add thread lock to the threads before installing the nut. Next, remove the screws that secure the cranks to the Ackerman bar. Transfer the screws and bushings to the new steering parts. Finally, using one of your hex drivers, push the bearings out of the stock steering crank and transfer it to the new aluminum crank. Using the factory hardware, reinstall the servo saver to the Ackerman plate, followed by the other crank. You may want to use Loctite to prevent the screws from backing out. Now slide the steering assembly back onto the steering posts and reinstall the top plate. And finally, screw all the steering ball studs back into place. And there we have it, our new steering system installed. Links to the products used in today's video could be found in the description below. Please hit the subscribe button while you're there, and we'll see you back soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.